Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm doing monthly reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon and Rising people. So let's see what are the messages for the month of July for Sagittarius. Okay, so this is a general read. It may or may not resonate with everyone. King of Cups, Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Fool, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, Seven of Cups, Five of Swords, Tower. Bottom of the deck, I have Page of Cups. Okay, so we will later on, let me explain the whole spread for you, then we will explain this tower as well. Okay, first thing first, this is not a typical love reading. I'll try to cover both aspects in from these cards, relationship and finances. So either Sagittarius is dealing, Sagittarius people are dealing with some water sign, or maybe you are behaving or attaining this energy yourself. King of Cups is an energy where uh, you have the complete command upon your emotions, and you don't let anything sneak out under that command. You really hold your emotions well, and you just simply sit on your throne very calmly, very peacefully, very decently. But there is something which is annoying in this situation, and I will explain you in a bit. Somehow uh, there is some sort of wish which is granted. I feel Sagittarius are dealing with some water sign, and Sagittarius have something in their mind which they want to achieve, and this wish, it is taking a lot of time. You are putting so much effort to attain this thing, whatever is there. You have spent many months on this, you have spent a lot of time on this, you have spent a lot of effort on this. You thought that in past days, maybe previous month, you might have thought that you will be able to take a leap of faith, you will be able to enjoy your freedom, you will be able to start doing things upon your own, according to your own terms and conditions. But I really feel that it is not happening yet. Things are slow, though you are getting some sort of aid from the other people. This can be a financial aid. It is also possible that you are getting some sort of emotional or moral aid as well, but you are getting some sort of aid. All this situation and all this delay and all this confusion, as I have mentioned that you were expecting to achieve this in the last month, but it didn't happen according to your plan, and this has made you very angry, and you are just going to kill everyone around you. You are just trying to attack anyone specifically, or in general as well. I feel this is a family situation, and with the tower card, as I have mentioned, I will take further cards on it, but I feel this is some family situation, and it is going to be end, not in the month of July most probably, but after that. There is a situation of confusion, fogginess, not able to decide, not able to take any sort of action around, which is around you. This is a situation around you, and moreover you are confused to the point that you have this fear that you might select something which is not right, or which is not in your favor. but I feel there is another negativity around you. You are trying to be more selfish to some extent, or maybe you are just trying to protect your side without considering how and what other people are feeling or getting in this. I feel the person you are dealing with is continuously trying to give you these sort of offers. But I really have a doubt that you are very much willing to accept this, or you are very much sure about their sincerity towards you. You might have thought that the other person is cheating on you, the other person is trying to take benefit from you, the other person might trying to get money out of you. Anything is possible. This is the negative feeling which is there in this mix. So let's see what is Tower, and what's there after this Tower will be fall upon you guys. I feel that this will happen either end of July or early next month. Okay ji, so what is the Tower? Please explain us. Empress, Queen of Cups, Strength. Okay, I think there is something going on between two. One person is energetically more elevated than the other person, and the person, as you can see, I have a King of Cup over here. So the story between king and queen, this can be a story between a husband and wife. Now forget about the cup, as this couple is showing over here, so it doesn't necessary that both the person are from water sign clan, but at least one person is water sign and the counterpart is there as well, and there is going on and there is a struggle going on in between them. But I really feel with this card that there is some sort of third party presence in the mix, which is pulling this couple apart. Either you yourself are trying to do that, or there is someone third person is trying to do that, but I really feel that there is a personality in the mix. Sorry, I have put wrong cards. So this is it. I feel that this situation will completely done after the month of July. Okay, so this is the reading for you are leaving the situation with 5 of Pentacle as well, because there is another cup of love coming towards you. I really have this feeling that Sagittarius is dealing with two people at the same moment, or they are having some love offers, and due to that they are trying to wrap up their previous situation. I hope this will resonate with you. Give me some sort of feedback on this. I will see you with the next read. Take care. Bye.